We're going to convert between degrees and radians. The first thing you want to do is write what you're given as a fraction. In this case, it's 75 degrees. Let's put that over 1. Now we need to multiply by either pi over 180 or 180 over pi. Because we're multiplying by the same thing to the numerator and denominator, they're just in different units. Both are a semicircle. We need the degree unit to cancel, so let's put the 180 degrees in the in the denominator, and then the pi in the numerator. Remember, it's always pi over 180 or 180 over pi. We want the degrees to cancel, so I put the degrees in the denominator here. Now as we multiply across, the degrees cancel, and we get 75 pi over 180, and then we can divide both by 5. We get 15 pi over 36. We can divide both by 3, and we get 5 pi over 12. The next one, we have 5 pi over 7. We want to convert that to degrees. So we need to think, do we multiply by 180 over pi or pi over 180? This is in radians. And I would write your units in the numerator of what you're given so that you see what needs to be in the denominator of the fraction that you're multiplying by. We need radians to be in the denominator, so that's going to be pi radians there, 180 degrees up top. Now when we multiply across, radians cancel, the pi's also cancel, and then we have 5 times 180, that's 900 degrees now, over 7. And with degrees, you usually have them as decimals, so you can do 900 divided by 7, and you get about 128.6. Now we have 3 radians. Sometimes you're not given radians with a pi in it, and that's okay. But we're going to put that over 1. And again, we're going to multiply it by, this is radians. We need radians in the denominator, which means we need pi in the denominator, 180 degrees in the numerator. Radian unit cancels. Pi's don't cancel. That's okay. Don't randomly add a pi in there. And then we can multiply across, and we get 3 times 180 is 540 degrees over pi. When you have degrees, you usually don't have pi in there, so I would divide 540 by pi in your calculator, and you get about 171.9.